Samsung is stirring the tech world once again with fresh leaks about the highly anticipated Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. From lineup changes to groundbreaking upgrades, here's everything you need to know. What's the big shakeup? Samsung's tablet strategy has always been predictable: three flagship models, the base, plus, and Ultra versions. But last year, the base model mysteriously vanished, leaving only the S10 Plus and Ultra. Now, in 2025, Samsung is flipping the script yet again. The Galaxy Tab S11 base model is making a comeback, while the Plus variant is nowhere in sight. But that's not all. Samsung is introducing a new player, the Galaxy Tab S10 Lite, designed for budget-conscious buyers. Powered by the efficient Exynos 1380 chip, this light version is set to compete in the affordable device space below the Fan Edition tablets. Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, the premium beast, returns. Last year's Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra was a game-changer as Samsung's first premium tablet to ditch Snapdragon for MediaTek's chip. Despite initial doubts, the MediaTek-powered Ultra impressed with excellent battery life, improved standby time, and performance that rivaled Snapdragon's flagship processors. Now, the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra sticks with MediaTek, boasting the high-end Dimensity 9400 chip. While this chip is powerful enough for most tasks, it faces tough competition from Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite, a new monster chip offering a jaw-dropping 40% performance boost. This contrast may leave some users wishing Samsung would adopt chips capable of taking on Apple's M-series processors. What else is coming? Software. The Tab S11 Ultra will ship with Android 16 and One UI 8. While not a drastic overhaul, One UI 8 adds small yet exciting touches, like a redesigned weather app with interactive visuals. For instance, rain animations will feature avatars carrying umbrellas, a fun and immersive upgrade. Future updates. Expect bigger changes with One UI 8.5 launching alongside the Galaxy S26 Ultra early next year. Global rollout. The Tab S9 and S10 series are already getting the stable One UI 7 update, complete with April's security patch. The price point pressure. With a rumored price tag of $1,200, the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra doesn't come cheap. While its Dimensity 9400 chip is more than capable, it's hard not to feel Samsung could have delivered a more competitive edge by opting for a Snapdragon XLE or another powerhouse chip.